Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a realistic reindeer. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our reindeer, let's begin right here with the eye. All I'm going to do is just make a little black dot for the eye. We'll go ahead and color most of that in, leaving just a tiny bit white. Right above the eye, I'm going to make a little curved line for the eyebrow. Then right here by the eye, I'm going to make a little line that just comes down. Now, starting here, we're going to draw lines just going to come down, and then it's going to come out right to about here. Then you want to curve this down for the nose. Make a little line that's just going to come down here to finish off the nose. And then bring a little line down. We'll bring this line over for the mouth. And then we'll make a line that's going to come down and then back up. We're going to bring this line over, and then we'll bring it up and we'll add a few zigzag lines on here to make it a little bit furry. Next, we're going to bring this line up a little bit. Now we're going to leave a little bit of space and we'll make a line back here. Now, to start the ears, let's curve a line up. And then we're going to bring a line down and around here. Then we'll make a little curve and bring this line up. Now, starting here, let's make the neck. So we're going to begin by making some little zigzag lines that just come down to about here. And we'll bring them a little bit farther. Starting up here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go out a little bit and in. Then we're going to come down here and curve it just a bit. We'll make a line that's going to come down and back, and one more, down and back. We're going to bring it up, and we'll do a little hook right here. We're going to bring this up and out. Then we're going to bring this line up, and I'm going to add a few little points on it to make it look like it's kind of furry. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a few little kind of points as I bring this up for the stomach. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to bring it all the way down to here at an angle. I'm going to bring it down to a point and back. And another one down to a point, over, and then come up. Make a line that's going to come down and up. We're going to bring this up and over. I'm going to make some points and bring it up to here. Now let's add these other two legs. So right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it down just a little bit and bring it out. We'll make it come to a point for the hoof, and we'll do another one. Comes to a point, and we'll bring it up here. Make a little line that comes down, and we're going to make it nice and skinny as we come up. Then we're going to bring it back up, do a little bit of points for some fur. Now for the back of the leg, we're going to bring this down to about here. Or make the hoof, so we're going to bring it down to here, and then we're going to come up a little bit. We'll make that little hook on the back of the hoof. Then we're going to come up and out, and then we're going to bring this in and kind of right back here towards the back of the leg. So it looks like our reindeer's walking. Now let's move up here to the back of the neck. I'm going to make some little pointed lines to come right across to here. We're going to go up and then down for the shoulder. Then we're going to bring this over here, and then we're going to come down just a little bit. Now we're going to make some little pointed lines right here for the tail. And then we want to work on the antlers. Now to start on the antlers, I'm going to begin right here, and we want to curve up just a little bit. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to curve it back and then come down a little bit. Then we'll do another one here. We're going to come up, and we're going to bring it down and then back. Now we're going to follow this curve again, and this time we're going to bring it up real high towards the top of our paper. We'll make it come to a point and down. And then we'll make another one. It's going to come up to a point and down. We'll bring this down to about here, and then I want to bring this up and then come back down. I'll make this come out to a point, and we're going to bring it in. We want to come down, and then we'll make a nice big curvy one right here. Then we'll make another small little curve here. And then I'm going to bring this all the way back down, and I'm going to curve it around here to connect. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and down, and another one's going to come up to a point, and then we're going to bring this down here. Now, we want to make the other set of the antlers, so it's going to be kind of hidden behind here. So we'll draw a little line that's going to curve up. We'll make this curve up here. We'll come to a point and down, and then one more up here. We'll kind of curve this across, and we'll bring this line up and down, and we'll make a little point here. We'll leave a little space. Then we'll kind of come out here to a curve and back. And do the same thing. I'm going to bring this down, we'll make a little point, and we're going to come down and back. And then we'll just kind of end it right there. Now we just want to come in here and add a few different details. So you can add a couple little lines onto the antlers just for a little bit of detail. Just to make it look like it has some texture. You can make a couple little lines right here on the face. I'm going to add a couple little extra lines on here. And then a few more little lines back here. I'm going to make a couple little lines right here on the stomach for some detail. And I'm going to make some little zigzag lines that come across here onto the legs. We're going to make some little broken lines on here. And a couple of lines right across here too. And I'm just going to add a couple little lines in some different spots for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a realistic reindeer. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.